Laboratory Activity 5. This Python code demonstrates combination of basic signals operation, amplitude scaling, time shifting, reversal, and scaling on discrete time sine wave. Number 1 generates the original signal and ranges from -10 to 10. Xn is equal to sine 0.3 pi n discrete sine wave, and that's the original signal with PLT.step. Number 2 applies 3 combined transformation, amplified plus time shifted. 2x and minus 3 doubles amplitude and delays the signal by 3 samples. And next, attenuated plus time reverse. 0.5x minus n halves amplitude and flips signal in time. And then inverted plus time scaled. -x 2n flips vertically and compresses time by factor of 2. Plots all three result in separate subplots with titles, labels, and grids. And the output will look like this. Original signal. The top is the amplified plus time shifted. The middle attenuated plus time reverse. And at the bottom is inverted plus time scaled. In short, it shows how combining amplitude and time domain operation changes a discrete signal shape, position, and direction. At last,